From large-scale utility power grids to industrial sites, from rotating machines to railways and manufacturing plants, a reliable flow of electricity keeps the world moving. The key to reliability lies in spotting issues before they become failures. From detection to diagnostics, OFIL Systems ensures no fault goes unnoticed. Luminar, the handheld Go-Anywhere HD UV camera. With its powerful zoom, it delivers pinpoint, accurate detection of corona partial discharges from up to 200 meters away. Microm, the UAV HD camera that takes inspection to new heights. It integrates easily on various aerial drones for a close-up look at hard-to-reach objectives. OFIL's UV cameras deliver state-of-the-art precision and performance. OFIL takes you to a new dimension of understanding with Gridnostic. Easily integrated into existing workflows, delivers advanced image analysis and diagnosis. It was developed according to 𝗱cie guidelines. Gridnostic precisely pinpoints issues that require attention, guiding you with geospatial asset visualization. Move from reacting to problems to proactive maintenance. See the unseen. OFIL, smart inspection and diagnostic solutions.